you how to make a dream catcher?
Yeah, we can do that.
Oh, boy.
Alright, the first thing we're going to do is to select a branch or a vine. The grapevines work really well. You can see there's a bunch of grapevines here. And we'll cut it and maybe strip the bark and bend it into shape. Okay? Do you see any that you would want to use?
How about this one?
That's a good one. Alright, let's cut it.
Oh.
You can try. We'll probably strip the bark on that. So May has cut some grapevine, which is really nice to make dream catchers out of because it's easily it's easy to bend. And then we have some saplings which we cut live. We don't want a dead wood branch because that's not flexible and it doesn't bend. But the live saplings are thin enough and pliable enough that you can bend them into shape and then they'll hold their shape.
Alright, I'm stripping the bark off of the grapevine.
Does it look cool underneath?
Yeah, it does. Look at this.
I'll hold it still.
Right, look under here.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to try to bend this into shape. So it's a dream catcher. But I'm not going to do the string yet. I don't know how to.
Alright, May has bent her frame into shape and now she's going to measure out how much string she'll need to complete the dream catcher. So May, you'll want to go around that 8 times. And traditionally, Native American dream catchers, they used sinew instead of, we're using rainbow jute because it's pretty. There's 1 time around. How many times, May?
8.
Okay.
2. 8. Hi. Now I'm going to wind this around the popsicle stick. All of it.
What will that do?
Make it so it's not all tangled.
Okay. Okay, so May has wound her rainbow jute around the craft stick, or popsicle stick, and now she's going to tie the end of the string onto the branch that she's bent into shape. let me give you a little tip. If you tie your first tie right here, that will bring at the end of your branch where it bends around. It will, yeah, there you go. And pass your stick through with it. It will bind this to that side. Okay, so now you're going to make a loop around your frame. So pass it through. Yep, and you don't want it too tight. That's great.
Like this, Mom?
Yeah, just like that. And then pass it through again. You can work to the right. Make your loop, come back through. Yes. And keep going all the way around the frame. You can make them as tight together or as wide apart as you like. And you can always move it because it's not tied. It's just looped around.
Yeah, it's not tied. I should really round this up.
You finding you have to wind it back on a little bit?
Yeah.
So she's going to continue all the way around until she gets to the point at which she started, and then we'll tell you the next step after that.
Not all the way around this whole thing.
All right, so you've got it all the way around the frame.
Yep.
So now you want to take your craft stick and pass it through each one of these loops. So where's your first one? Exactly. Yep. So you're not going to go around the frame. You're going to just pass it through the loop.
Like this?
And have it rest in the center. Like that. That's good. And hold the tension here a little bit. And now go through your next loop. And you're going to go all the way around again. Pull it through. Keep your tension.
Rest in the middle.
That's it.
Now rest in that middle.
And you can turn your frame.
Mom, you know, I really like this.
Oh, good. I like it too.
Next is here. Oh, that's a hard one. I'm close enough to the end now that I can cut this string. See?
Yeah, let's give yourself a little bit more to work with. Go ahead, you can make the pass. And unwind a little bit from the craft stick.
There.
Maybe
One
a
more?
little more. And then we'll cut it.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
No, don't cut it. Not yet. Oh, ready?
Well, at the end, you don't really need your popsicle stick anymore.
Hi, May. May.
But hold the tension on your string.
You like it?
I did the rest.
Yep. Yeah, she's still here.
Yeah, because you want a hole in the middle. You can tie it off at any point you want as long as you're happy with the tension that you have on the string.
Okay. Alright, now I'm ready to tie it off. But before you do tie it off, get the tension you want it to be, which is pretty tight. And now, I'll show you how to tie it off. See this? And then you twist it so it looks like a bunny's ear. And then, yeah, that might happen. And then put this right through. Push the knot down. Hey, Mom,
Yeah,
can I attach any feathers to the frame?
you can if you want to.
Oh, yeah.
You'll need, how many?
3.
3. So you'll need 3 pieces of string. There's one feather.
Red. Ooh.
That's a chicken feather.
Yeah. chickens. 3. Other
Okay.
chicken.